Welcome to the top best. The best Milwaukee Hedge Trimmer Cordless is probably one of the most convenient tools for maintaining your garden. With the freedom of cordless operation, you can easily maneuver around your yard without the hassle of cords. This trimmer offers powerful performance, making quick work of even the toughest hedges. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable use, even during extended trimming sessions, making it a top choice for both professionals and homeowners. Number 5. Milwaukee 2726-20 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. Today, we're taking a look at the Milwaukee 2726-20 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. This powerful tool is designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. This product is manufactured in China. It's built to meet high standards of quality and performance. The product comes with a 3-year warranty on materials and workmanship. This warranty ensures that it is built to last and provides peace of mind for the user. This product is designed to meet customer requirements. It offers the features and performance that users are looking for. This hedge trimmer is a great choice for anyone looking to maintain their hedges. It is a reliable and efficient tool that will get the job done. What we like. This trimmer is built to last, with a robust design. It also comes with a solid 3-year warranty. If you value reliability and long-term performance, this is a great choice. What people say. Its brushless motor delivers strong, consistent power, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue. The long battery life and smooth cuts make trimming effortless. It cut through them very well, more so than I thought it would, and even a few that were bigger than the specs of the cutter. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This is a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included. It's designed for efficient and powerful trimming. This trimmer is built to handle tough jobs. It can cut through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. It makes quick work of overgrown hedges. Equipped with a 24-inch blade, it provides a wide cutting path. This feature allows it to cover more ground with each pass, increasing efficiency. The M18 fuel technology ensures maximum performance and runtime. It delivers the power needed for demanding applications. This tool is a great addition to any tool collection. Please note that this is a bare tool. The battery and charger are sold separately. Make sure you have the necessary components to operate it. What we like. This bare tool offers impressive cutting power. The 24-inch blade and the ability to cut through branches up to 3/4 thick make it a versatile choice. If you have a variety of hedges and bushes to maintain, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It works great for a battery-operated trimmer, very strong. Easy to use and lots of power. Love cordless ability to make the job easier. Nice tool and no cord. Plus it works with the other Milwaukee batteries. For all my Milwaukee tools. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer, MIL 2726-20. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. It's a powerful tool designed for efficient trimming. This trimmer is a bare tool only, meaning it doesn't include a charger or battery. The M18 fuel technology delivers the power and performance needed for demanding applications. It provides more power, speed, and runtime. You'll find it's a reliable choice for your yard work. This trimmer is a bare tool, which means it's perfect for those who already own M18 batteries and chargers. It's a cost-effective way to expand your Milwaukee collection. You can save money and keep your tools organized. The model number is MIL 2726-20. This model is known for its durability and performance. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provide consistent results. Experience the power and convenience of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. It's a great addition to any tool collection. Get yours today and start trimming with ease. What we like. This is a bare tool option, meaning it doesn't include a battery or charger. This is a great option if you already have Milwaukee M18 batteries and chargers. If you're looking to expand your Milwaukee tool collection without extra costs, this is the one for you. What people say. This one will cut up to 3/4, and fast. The blades are sharp and I was very pleased with the end result, a 30-foot holly bush hedgerow. This unit cuts as well as my plug-in trimmer and I don't have to worry about cutting the cord. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer HD Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. This is a powerful tool designed for efficient and precise trimming. It's perfect for maintaining your hedges with ease. This kit includes the red lithium high-demand 9.0 battery. It provides unmatched runtime, power, and a longer lifespan. This ensures you can complete your tasks without interruption. The trimmer features a 24-inch blade length. This allows for a wider cutting path, making your trimming tasks faster. It helps you get the job done quickly and effectively. With a 3/4-inch cut capacity, this trimmer can handle various hedge thicknesses. It ensures clean and precise cuts every time. This feature makes it versatile for different types of hedges. The kit includes the M18 fuel trimmer, one M18 red lithium high-demand 9.0 Ah battery, and a rapid charger. This provides everything you need to get started right away. It's a complete solution for your trimming needs. What we like. This kit includes a high-demand battery for extended use. The battery provides unmatched runtime and power. If you have a large yard or a lot of hedges to trim, this will keep you going longer. What people say. This hedge trimmer gets the job done. Plenty of power to take down my overgrown boxwood bushes and no cords to drag or risk cutting. Blade is sharp enough to cut through the straw like ornamental grass without hesitation. The trimmer is able to cut through inch-thick branches on our ATV/UTV trails with no problem. Number 1. Milwaukee 2726-21 HD Fuel Hedge Trimmer Kit. Today, we're taking a look at the Milwaukee 2726-21 HD Fuel Hedge Trimmer Kit. This powerful tool is designed to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. It's a great addition to any homeowner's or professional's toolkit. This product is manufactured in China, ensuring quality and precision in its construction. The manufacturing process adheres to strict standards, guaranteeing a reliable and durable tool for you. Weighing in at 18 pounds, it provides a balance of power and manageability. This weight allows for comfortable use over extended periods, reducing fatigue while you work. This product is designed to meet the needs of customers. It's built to perform and satisfy your expectations, providing a seamless experience. You can rely on it for your trimming needs. Brought to you by Milwaukee Electric Tools, a trusted name in the industry. They are known for their commitment to quality and innovation. You can trust the brand. What we like. This kit includes a high-demand battery and a rapid charger. The battery provides unmatched runtime and power. If you are looking for a complete kit with fast charging, this is the one for you. What people say. Easily trimmed home hedges and trees after a competing consumer-class battery chainsaw couldn't handle thick branches. Cuts through larger bush branches and has an amazing battery life. He's very happy with the quality and battery life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.